Okay, so low carb, high fat versus keto or carnivore. So carnivore would be great for people who've got extreme histamine intolerance. They've got DAO deficiencies. They've got oxalobacter deficiencies. They can't break down oxalates. They can't do freaking nightshades. They can't do plants. They have histamine intolerance. They're inflamed. They're freaked out. They're having health issues. Their immune system is like, Meh. And so carnivore has to be slashed with a ketogenic protocol. And you have to eat organ meats. Like, where's my organ meat? Oh, I had organ meats before. Like liver, it's great. It's got a lot of nutritional value and micronutrients and minerals. And with that said, things to help protect the thyroid, like zinc and copper and vitamin D and selenium and things of this nature. But I digress. And vitamin D. And vitamin A. But with that said, low carb, high fat, you can drop body fat on low carb, high fat, but y'all have to have it down to a science, right? Because if you're still not minding your glycogen storages, you could be having blood sugar swings, insulin spikes, hypoglycemia, and irritate your thyroid. Now, can you be having issues with keto? Yeah, that also has to be very smartly done. My lane is keto. I'm like, y'all do what you want to do, but if I can get people over to the keto camp, you can deal with your gut issues and your autoimmunity and heal your body and got some energy and have mental clarity and all this kind of stuff. But some people, their lives are too much like this, and you have to take time to break it down, right? Because if you have hypoglycemia and you decide to sit at low carb, high fat, which you guys know I'm putting more low carb, high fat meal plans on my site, it is very, very important to know what you can eat and the timing of that food according to your circadian rhythm. Now, the light's going down and I'm running out of light, and I'm not going to do another version of this video. I'm trying to keep my videos short. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell because I go live. And I also do a keto course at 15 bucks a month. It's really, really cheap. You can do 1 month or 20 months. I do consultations. And I'm still here on the internet, you guys, when no one was talking about keto, and now all there's yak, 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 eat cheese, eat nuts, and blah, 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 blah. Why is my hair falling out? Why is my skin getting bad? Why this, why that, why this? People don't like to talk about that because it's not internet sexy. Everybody loves the attention, and no one wants to talk about the pitfalls of doing keto or any other dietary measure. And I'm out. Peace, because it's getting too dark. Bye!